Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial I will show you how to set up two factors in Instagram. First of all, we need to open Instagram application if you have it in your phones, or you can just go to your browser and open it. So like that. Here we go. And from here guys, we will need to go to our profile or more over here and then click on settings. After that, I will need you to go guys to here, privacy and security, and then go all the way down and then click on edit two-factor authentication settings. So let's click on it, and here is what you can do. Two-factor authentication will ask you for a security code when we need to confirm that is you logging in. You can use as text message, so we can use like send you a SMS to your phone or authentication app. So let's make this for example. So for you to be able to actually get that on PC, you will need to go to your application on phone and so go on for this one. So for example, let's try to this one, turn it on, and basically what you need to do is add the phone number over here. So let's go and add our phone number 06. Let me just pause real quick and then I will be right back to you after I put my number. So back to you guys. Now after I've put in my number, I shall receive like an SMS in my account or my phone. So like I can click here to actually receive it again. And basically all you need to do is put the code that you will receive in here, and right after that you will be having the two authentication form in your account. So whenever you try to actually log into your account from another device or from even this device that you created the two-factor authentication, they will ask you for like your password of course, and then they will ask you to enter the SMS that you will receive on your mobile, or if you actually activate it. So let me just change it, go back here, privacy security, go here, and let me go back. I can't go back actually, but if you actually choose the app authenticator, they will ask you to like put the code that you receive in that application that they gave you, which is Google Authenticator in most of the time. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.